pain in my ear said for every time that I awoke that they would reappear. But I awoke this morning alone and in no pain. I reached out for an answer. Can anyone explain? The sirens had all vanished like shedding skins of scales. I got up from the old chair and cut the road with my teeth and nails. Yeah, no snake can squeeze my body, no bite can cut my skin, no song can test my young mind or torture me and win. No, no, no.
Today I failed to see the bright side, but when I seen the light rise in your heart amidst the dark, it seemed to start to reach my eyesight. Was blinded by the odds we couldn't even read in hindsight, through the tears and all our fears, cause you're so near to reach a limelight. But it's times like these I question why you've been chosen to walk this lonely road that's littered with paths that are broken. We ain't spoken for time, I worry what's on your mind. So when we talk I pray for words that I can find to leave behind, that you can take away and miraculously speak the pain away. But naturally you just happen to be so brave today. Fulfill your destiny, your fate can wait. Dig a grave for this snake, for the grave mistake that it made, trying to plague your days. You face a great enemy, now it knows your energy's a force to be reckoned with. That'll take that ball and the chain to be reckoned with, and count every blessing each second is. Never promise, but brother promise each second to never give. Never give up,
yeah, no
please.
snake can squeeze my body, no bite can cut my skin, no song can test my young mind or torture me and win. No, no, no.
Enjoy the moment, but at this moment I'm hoping his fangs are broken. Give no condolence to my opponent. Is this an omen or poem? I'm never knowing. When there's been a problem we've always come together and tried to solve it. Yeah, the snake is long, about 7 miles, with the devil's smile, ready to sever ties. Let it try, so we gotta try. Don't wanna see my brother cry. So much weight on his shoulder, can't look up at the sky. I talk to the wind and ask why. I talk to the wind and the wind said he can't lie, and that this is a harsh life and this won't be the last time. So now my dark heart aches, my mind's not healthy. Don't ask if it's half full or half empty, cause I don't act like the glass can't break. And as of late I've been feeling sorrow. You show pride and I know it's hard to swallow, so look me in the eyes and say I'll see you tomorrow.